Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on Doogee X95. And to do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find Microsoft Edge. Then install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to launch a browser and then customize it. So sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from here you can begin browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.